You wanna know what's bothering me?
What?
With all this violence happening around the world, maybe it's time to take a time out.
Time out as in like a basketball game?
No, not that kind of time out.
Time out as in like go to your room time out?
No, not that kind of time out either.
Then what kind of time out?
Time out as in take a break and pray.
Pray?
Yes, did you know prayer is the strongest weapon we have to secure our peace?
Alright, wait a second. This kind of peace?
Yeah, that kind of peace. If everyone around the world were to join us in prayer, then that would be a cool time out.
All around the world?
Yes, time out is a worldwide event. People would take 1 minute to pray. It originated from Rome, Italy. There, it was at 12 p.m. In New York time, it'll be at 6 p.m. So in El Paso, it'll be around
4 p.m.
Yeah, exactly. And all we need to do is pray for 1 minute.
Only 1 minute?
Yeah, that's all we're asking. Just 1 minute every day.
Yeah.
So join us in Time Out to make the world a better place.
Cosa non dire, ma mi proteggi con le tue parole.